What's up guys, PG here from
Gigantic Slot Game.
How are you guys doing? It has been some time.
You can't keep getting away with it!
But not to worry, I have returned to tell you that I am in fact out of hibernation. But anyway, how is the game, you ask? Why, thank you for asking. Unlike the channel, the game actually did get quite a bit of work done on it. And the most important thing is that we finally have a name and a Steam page now. You probably already know what I'm gonna say next, but if you are looking for a thrilling fantasy adventure, no, not that kind, then please go wishlist Ardent Wilds on Steam. The goal is to get at least 7,000 wishlists before we head into early access. Apparently that's the magic number where if you get around that amount, the Steam algorithm will start pushing your game on release. At least that's what other game dev bros tell me. I'll let you know if it's true. But we gotta get there first, of course. So for the game itself, there really is a lot to cover, like way too much for one video, so I'll try to keep it short. The game right now is playable, but there are still some design issues that we gotta figure out. But honestly, once we get over those final bumps, I wanna get it into people's hands as fast as possible. We've done some closed playtests and we did learn a lot from those, but I really wanna open it up to the wider public as well with the demo, so you guys can give feedback as well, because that's really important. I really hope that sooner rather than later. I don't have any dates to give, but soon, TM. In any case, we did make quite a lot of progress in the last 9 months, especially if you compare it to what we had when the last video was uploaded. We juiced up the world gen a lot, and one of the cooler things we added are these procedurally generated caves. I definitely should do a devlog on those because they're quite nice if I do say so myself, and they're not even that complicated in how they work, but anyway, I digress. We also added a ton of creatures, this time all of them with unique arts, animations and abilities. Shout out to our animation intern who did all of the rigs and animations for literally every creature. As well as for the new player model, by the way. Who says game dev has to be expensive, am I right? I'll tell you what, if you wishlist now, maybe we can convince some angel investor to give us money. I believe in it. We've also added a boss fight that is horrendously overtuned, but people did seem to have fun with it in some of the play sessions that we've had. Well, actually, it's more like the boss had fun with them because they kept getting destroyed by it, but whatever. Oh, and if you're one of the people who likes the mod games, I've got something which I think you will find cool as well, at least I hope so. All of our items and abilities and stuff like that are made using our new Lua scripting API, which is fully accessible to modders. Like, if you install the game through Steam, you can actually look at the code for each creature and ability and easily make changes or even add entirely new content. It's all readily visible and accessible, and you can even get IntelliSense for the API and VS Code, by the way. I really think with the way we're approaching this, Ardent Wilds is going to be one of the most moddable games out there, or at least certainly in this genre. I mean, to give an example, we've implemented stuff like ropes that you can swing from and grappling hooks, and all of that stuff is done purely in Lua. So people who like to mod crazy stuff into games are going to have a field day, I think. I can't wait for all the thoughtful and meaningful additions that people will add to the game. There's also a lot of technical, behind-the-scenes engine stuff that happens. For those who don't know, this game is made using our own engine. Make sure to leave a bunch of comments stating all the reasons as to why that is a bad idea. But yeah, to wrap it up, I really want to get into doing devlogs again. If there's anything you guys would like to see in particular, please let me know in the comments. Yes, I'm talking to all 5 of you who are still watching this channel at this point. Know that I very much appreciate it though. For now, I will leave you with this very professionally edited trailer for Ardent Wilds. If you like what you see, please wishlist the game on Steam. It would help a lot, and I hope to see you soon. Sooner than 9 months at least.